Welcome to the Companion app, your mental health support companion. Find download links and more in the description below. Companion helps you manage stress, anxiety, and other emotional challenges through guided self-help. This app empowers you to understand and improve your mental well-being simply and easily. Companion combines CBT techniques, mindfulness exercises, and mood tracking. Its library of audio sessions and step-by-step exercises helps you identify and replace negative thoughts with healthier ones. New to mindfulness? The guided meditations are great for relaxation and stress reduction. Companion's personalized action plans, based on your initial assessment, offer daily strategies to manage emotional triggers. Reminders and progress tracking encourage consistent self-care. Need to calm down quickly? Access breathing exercises and grounding tools to regain control during stressful moments. Whether you're new to mental health support or seeking tools to complement therapy, Companion is for you. Its short sessions and exercises fit easily into busy lifestyles. The user-friendly interface works for all tech levels. Companion's evidence-based techniques and practical tools are valuable for anyone seeking to improve their mental health. From mild stress to supporting ongoing therapy, Companion offers effective solutions for emotional resilience and long-term well-being.